The Micsig SATO2002 touchscreen oscilloscope is making waves, and for good reason. This isn't your grandpa's bulky benchtop scope. It's a portable, tablet-style device packed with features that make it a compelling option for hobbyists and professionals alike. Right off the bat, the 8-inch TFT LCD capacitive touchscreen grabs your attention. With an 800 by 600 resolution, it's clear and responsive, making navigation a breeze. Micsig has integrated a new generation of hardware and software, and it shows in the overall user experience. It feels modern and intuitive. One of the standout features is the comprehensive auto diagnostic presets package. This is a huge time saver, especially when troubleshooting complex systems. The SATO2002 also boasts powerful signal capture and analysis capabilities, ensuring you don't miss any critical details. The 70 MPES memory depth, coupled with hardware-based zoom technology, is impressive. You can easily zoom in on specific areas of a waveform without sacrificing detail. This is crucial for analyzing intricate signals and identifying anomalies. For those working with serial communication, the SATO2002 supports UART, LIN, CAN, I2C, and SPI serial bus decoding. It displays both the waveform and the decoded data simultaneously, simplifying the debugging process. Triggering options are plentiful, including edge, pulse, logic, and edge, runt, slope, timeout, video, and serial trigger. The intuitive trigger system and fast source switching make it easy to capture the signals you need. The inclusion of PC and smartphone app remote control is a welcome addition. This allows for convenient monitoring and control from a distance. The HDMI function is also a great feature for training and demonstrations, making it easy to share your screen with others. Micsig also offers lifelong free firmware online upgrades, ensuring that your oscilloscope stays up to date with the latest features and improvements. This is a significant advantage, as it protects your investment and extends the lifespan of the device. The SATO2002 is a versatile and powerful tool that offers a lot of value for its price. Its portability, comprehensive features, and user-friendly interface make it a strong contender in the handheld oscilloscope market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.